Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? So in this video, I will tell you something very special about the Stellar XLM. My brother, the CEO of Stellar XLM, my brother, says that to upcoming days, these days possible, my brother, so they will hit half USD dollar, my friend. Half USD dollar. It's a very huge jump, my brother, in upcoming days. And Stellar XLM is also one of the fastest cryptocurrency. The team is doing very hard work of Stellar XLM, and they will say, my friends, too, we will going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So therefore, my brother, in upcoming days, I think Stellar XLM will take a very huge jump now. And also in the previous, my brothers, 20 days, I like these last 20 days, my brother. Absolutely, the Stellar XLM will not fails down, continuously moving in upward direction. From July 22 to, you can see here, my friends, August 11, they will completely moving upward, and they will give you 35.68% profit. I think it's a very good job, my brother, and I am 100% sure to upcoming time this is possible to they will take a more step in a very high jumps now. But my brother, remember to in upcoming days there is a chance, especially in the last 10 days of month, every coin will moving upward. So I am 100% sure they will completely go in the moon now. So holder, I just share my opinion, my advice for all of you. Remember, it's not a financial video, I just advise you, my brother. So in upcoming days, I know I am 100% sure they will move upward. So if you have any plan to invest more and Stellar XLM, I think this is one of the good option. Please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get a profit. I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and subscribe channel.